Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add video on Shopify with Autoplay. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Shopify and you need to log in into your Shopify account. So let me open my account first. So here it is. So I need to log in first. Wait for a few seconds. It will. So let me select my store. So once you are on your Shopify dashboard, so it will look like this. You simply need to come on to the content and click on files, and here you need to upload your video. As I am on my trial version, so I am unable to upload a video, but you can get the complete information how you can add video with autoplay. So once you added a video, you simply need to go on to the online store, and once you are here, you can see this option of customize. Click on that option. So once you are here, click on add section, scroll down, click on custom liquid. Now it is added. Click here, and here you need to add a code from this website. You can search this website on Google. Click on copy, paste it website, paste it link. So once code is added, so here you can see that .mp4. So you simply need to come here and you need to change that code with your video, and similar that code with your video, and you can change your video width so it is 100%. So I'm going to add 85%. So here you can see that. So let's suppose I want to add 40%. Here you can see that how size will be changed for the video. So this is the complete process how you can add video on Shopify with autoplay. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.